Right, what I want to show you now is the Mafell MKS185 circular saw. Mafell have a range of carpentry saws that go from a 130mm depth of cut up to 185mm depth of cut. With the 185, to adjust your depth, it's dead simple. You simply release the catch and wind the blade up on a rack and pinion, and the scale here will tell you exactly what depth you're cutting to. So if I want to do a 150 depth of cut, on the scale 150, lock the blade off, I'm cutting exactly at 150mm. Full depth, as I say, is 185. Some of the advantages on the Mafell saw: all our saws from the 85mm depth of cut through to the 185 all have a tilt range of 0 through to 60 degrees. So where most of our competitors will only allow you to tilt to 45, you can tilt through to 60 degrees with all Mafell saws above an 85mm depth of cut. Again, you have the lever that will flip the guard back for ease of use, and you also have a perfect sight line through the casting for your depth, for your cut line. It can be worked on the same guide rail system as all the Mafell saws, but it does come with this rather unique double parallel fence that locks into place to go down the side of your material, or by rotating it through 90 degrees gives you a level base and extends the base of the machine. You have 3000 watts of power, massive horsepower motor, Mafell made, Cuprex. Mafell have invented a shorter, fatter armature that generates more power when the saw is under load. So even though we're going to be cutting 7-inch thick oak, the saw won't slow down, it has enough power to keep going through. You have a safety switch. You cannot switch on by simply pulling the trigger. You have to push the safety switch up with your thumb before you can start the saw. This saw is ideal for the green oak framing industry, guys who are working with traditional timber framed green oak houses, and as I say, we'll cut 285mm thick. We also sell it to the people who are cutting insulation, because you've got that depth of cut and power, and also the insulation sandwich boards with the metal coatings top and bottom. We have a special blade that is designed to cut through the sandwich insulation boards.